Hi, this is Mark Coles of Boatshed Essex, and today we're listing a 2012 Delphia 31 lifting keel yacht. Just a short exterior video to show you around the outside of the boat and to point out some interesting features as we move along. So just getting closer to the hull, you'll see there's a bow thruster which will certainly help in tight spots. The white GRP appears to be in good condition. It's had a nice polish down the side, so she really does present herself very well. It's a very modern looking boat, this one. The sails have been taken down, they're inside, so please do take a look at the photographs. You'll see them stored in the V-berth cabin up front. Take you around to the stern of the vessel. She's a very nice, clean and tidy example of these very popular lifting keel boats. As I've already said, a very striking modern design as well. So for more details, visit boatshed.com, or if you'd like to arrange a viewing, please contact a member of the Boatshed Essex team.